Hi everyone, it's Ron Cruz from Team IPDAE. I just want to take a moment and welcome everybody to this year's Fall Regional Workshops. The title of this workshop is Advancing Conceptualized Instruction in Language Arts and Mathematics. We've got so much in store for you in this workshop. We're incorporating lots of instructional strategies such as project-based learning and conceptualizing instruction. We're also adding in components such as integrated education and training. And we're also adding in, I'm very excited for this last component, which is entrepreneurship skills, which is super important for us to incorporate in our adult education world. We're adding lots of resources, links, videos, you name it. We've got templates for you and everything. And it's gonna be held virtually. So signing up is very easy, participating is very easy. There's also a transfer of learning activity in the middle of this workshop so that you will have the opportunity to apply what you've learned. And so it's slightly different from how we normally conduct workshops in IPDAE, but I'm super excited because it's shaping out to be a really good one. So without further ado, please sign up for the training, look for your administrator, talk to them and get them signed up for this workshop because you will not regret attending this workshop. Thank you very much and see you soon in our regional workshops. Bye.